Hi, this is a follow-up to my infamous upload on geometric progression using the card games. I was taught that by Randy and I liked it and how it's easy to apply. And so basically you're given a sequence, or you make up your own sequence actually, and then you put the variables to the letter. And these variables never change, and then you have your formula. So whatever sequence you make, you can always find the cards. I make it very clear that I'm making calculations and I find the cards. So it's not rocket science, and it's not even super cool. It's not even impressive because I'm using a formula. And if you had the formula, you'd still find the cards. It's surprising how easy it actually is. But this is simply what computer scientists do: software developers, programmers, web developers, mathematicians, accountants, philosophers, and even the famous Dutch book arguments are difficult to grasp until you break it down, say, into the same progression that I put in. So how do we do this? So we have a formula, and then we map. It's a stage by stage. So you take out the face cards, and then you put only number cards, and then you put them in order, then make a progression as you go. Keep in mind the progression or write it down on the side. This is simple laws of physics, laws of mathematics, and laws of life. For as long as you have a physical component and you move it around, it is always occupying some matter. So basically, you want to give that physical attribute a name, you want to place it somewhere, and you want to be able to always find it. So that's what programs do. They find things according to what you put in, which are the requests, and then the formula is what the programmer does when they make this thing, or the software developer does, so that they're always able to find and give you what they need. So, for example, if you call a face card knowing full well that we don't have, or maybe by chance you didn't know because you came late and you didn't know the rules of the game, if you call a face card, then the answer will be we don't have one. And that would be like in computer science an error message. In accounting, that would be a red flag. In philosophy, that will be an error in reasoning or some sort of error. But basically what I'm saying is, just as Newton said, what goes up always comes down. What I'm simply saying is, this is a simple way of just keeping your things in order and making sure everything is accounted for. You can collect it when you want to. So nothing about this is complicated, and no one should make you feel as if you are not intelligent enough or you can't do it. It's simple, and I'm going to break it down to you and with you, and we're going to do this. We're going to do everything. Thank you for watching. I hope you're inspired and ready to take on the world.